Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hi guys. Stephen Afford from Afford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. As we continue this wonderful process of $1 million challenge. And of course, this is the update of the second day, perhaps, of our, as I said, the $1 million challenge with one of my micro trading account. Let me go through with it. This is the second day. And if we recall, my last balance yesterday was $31 off the chart, minus. And after last night's trading, we'd taken it up to $1.57 on the ball. So the game is beginning. We're on the chart from a minus. Remember, I gave you a bold statement and a commitment, and this is a challenge, as I said, a bold commitment and a challenge to take this micro account into $1 million account in the near future. As I said earlier, a micro account, I'm only trading a few cents, but as you notice, I've gone up from relatively pretty slow, I think it was 6 cents or something, up to 50 cents. Now I've converted it to $1 to speed it up a little bit, or from a minus balance, but I had equity and margin available for me to trade. Some of the magic of these high frequency trading platform. Thank God for these modern software. Anyway, as you can see, the balance, as I said, this is an update to show you the second day of trading has indeed gone as expected on the money in the first day. Some of the charting system was used to get it up there. It's this particular one using investing.com. They're a wonderful charting system, and you'll notice I put some arrows up there. These arrows are achieved by clicking on this icon on the side here, and it will bring up all the different symbols that you can utilize to give you some guidance or indicators for your purpose of trading. Now, those are simple icons. Now, remember, this blue line, as we said before, this blue line could have been yellow or green, but doesn't matter. It's a moving average. So let's begin with a little bit of an idea, just to give you some hints. If the blue line is below your candlestick, this is on the right side anyway, that gives an indication this asset is going to move upwards. If the blue line is above the candlestick, that says it is pushing the assets down. It's a simple one. Like I said, it's just a moving average and an indicator. It can be helpful gauging sometimes where the asset is moving to give you a far more accurate predictions in the future where the asset is going. As you can see, yesterday I was trading and I used this marker telling me that this asset is going down to remind me, because I was trading with at least 3 other assets or currency pairs, because flicking from one to another can be a bit of a dormant sort of task if your brain is not situated for these type of things. So anyway, a simple strategy: apply some arrows to give you an indication, so when you're hopping from one indicator to the other, you're not forgetting where you are. And that's one good indicator to help you trade in these trillion-dollar money-making monsters. That's the stock market. But in this case, this is CFD, or you might call it Forex at the same time. Forex is foreign currency exchange rates. Don't get too caught up on all that jargon. All you want to do at the end of the day is to be able to gauge, okay, clearly where an asset is moving from. Let's give you a bit of an indication. When an asset is moving between one point to another. I'm trying to look for a date. Hold on, let me give you a date. 1 hour ago. That's how you change the frame. Down the bottom is our dates. Now, March. This is March, and it's coming out to the end of March. And the day's date is the 31st of March, of course, 2017. And as you can see, this asset had dropped down in the middle of March, and it came back up again. These indications give you some sort of using the history to gauge where the asset is moving forward. 2017, this asset was around about 1.2281, and it has climbed quite high. That's 3 months after. As you can see, it's gone up to 12489. This is I'm reading these numbers on the side. So if you say, for example, you have bought this asset at the beginning of the month, the year, at that price that I've given you, or that certain price anyway, where my marker is, today's time you would have made substantial money, regardless of all these ups and downs. That's a long-term sort of gauge of the market. But if you trade these little trends or these valleys, ups and down valleys, you make substantial amount of money also. Huge amount of money. Huge, absolutely huge amount of money. To give you an idea, if you have traded in this trend last night, you would have made a substantial amount of money also. Sorry if I said last night. No, on the 28th of March to the 29th. That's a day. So if you say you took a trade early in the morning on the 28th of March, but the next day you would have gained quite a bit of dosh in your account. But anyway, let me have a look. This is the one that was producing a great return for me last night. Now I'm going to give it to you here. Here we go. Here's my indicators. Notice I took it there, and notice, hold on, let me give it to you in another format. That's the line that give you an indication this asset was going downhill, and look what it ended up, say, about here. So that is a lot of gain. This is the bottom at 0.8553. I'm reading the number on the side here. And of course, where it was when it started was 0. Oh, hold on. Let me write this down. Let me write it down. My brain is not as good as yours, but don't forget, it's an 87-year-old. 58. It's a 58-year-old brain. So although it's mature, it still can cope. But anyway, where was I? I was taking the number from this point, which is 8570, to the lowest, say, last night when I think I stopped trading here. It was 8550. Well, that's a 20 pips, they call it, margin of event, and it was good money. It was good money. I made good money last night on that downward trend. It didn't stop. As you can see, it's continued. This is today's marker, and as you can see, it is still going, and it's still going, and it's going to put some bigger dosh in my balance. So anyway, back to where we were. I was just giving you some simple ideas how to use these common charts to dictate or predict where the asset that you're going to be trading is going to go forward. This particular one, as you can see, Euro GBP. If you want to change this currency pair, you click on it, take that one off, and write up what you want on it. And the drop-down menu, let me give you a bit of practice. Say, for example, Euro, and come on. See all the drop-down? It shows you all the currencies that you can pick and trade on. But in the meantime, I'm already trading with Euro USD, Euro GBP, and GBP USD. And try and pick only one asset to trade with. That's far more beneficial than hopping from one to another. Up the top here, you can actually save it. Save your the history of your trading platform. Now I'm going to bring my one up that I saved last night. That shows all my hidden little secrets. There we go. That was pretty good. Oops. Bring it back to where it was. And that's how easy it is to change these assets. Anyway, back to where we were. As I said, my current balance now is $1.57. I want to take this as a big, huge challenge to show traders you can trade this account successfully from a very, very low margin. I started very low, few cents, as I showed you in my early videos. up to $1 now, and as the balance continue to grow, this volume or the size will follow it accordingly, which probably be $2, $3, $5. And when you get up to the double-digit dollar signs, then that count will certainly escalate a bit further. But anyway, if you want some more of these ideas, click on the link down below. Contact me on some of my details below this video, or subscribe to my video to keep up with my daily videos on this account. And you may even learn a few hints how to trade successfully and profitably in these $1 trillion high frequency trading platform. Anyway, hold on, I better show you how many trades I got active. Well, okay, that's how many trades I got active. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades. And I suggest that's all you want to do if you want to open up trades. 10 at the maximum, lower the better. Trade only with one currency pair. Pick one. I suggest my favorites are Euro GBP, Euro USD, and GBP USD. Pick one of them, follow one of them, and you'd be surprised how much money you can make with just one asset, because you tend to learn what the asset is moving as opposed to hopping from one asset to another. One product, one clear money winner, you'll be on the money, brother. But anyway, as I said, if you want more, if you want to learn some of these strategies, it's pretty easy to apply, and how to get onto some of these pretty cool trading platform. But if you join through one of my links here, we both benefit. You will receive something, I will receive something. So it is a clear winner for us if you join through one of the links to join one of these high frequency trading platforms. Highly encouraged. But anyway, I love you. God bless you. We'll see you on my next video. This is Stephen I4 from I4 Fortune, creating fortune for the future. Bye for now.